Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the 2nd of the 10th, 2024. Haven't done a weekly upload yet, but I'm gonna do this week's weekly upload and last week's weekly upload as well, together in one video. I've been kind of sick for this whole week, actually just like on and off, and like right now it's been hitting me hard, like yesterday and the day before. And it's my last off day, then I gotta go back to work tomorrow. But I don't think that's gonna happen, honestly. I'm just feeling weak, bro. But yeah, just the one to produce the video. You gotta do what you gotta do, bro. And I haven't been missing out even on my EOD's end of day markups. Like as you can see, this is this week's and then last week's one as well. But as you guys saw, I did drop a video how I would trade, well, not how I would trade FOMC, but yeah, that's like if you watch the previous video, yeah, then you would understand how I took that trade and then how it played out live. But yeah, this week we're just gonna dive into the weekly recaps of last of last week and this week, and then I'm also in that segment. I'm gonna start it off with me buying the Vault Funder challenge. I've taken about 4 trades on the Vault Funder challenge, and I've only still taken 1 trade on the Top Step Live account. I mean, valuation account. Yeah, I haven't touched the Top Step after that 1 trade last week, the winner over here. This week I placed a very stupid trade on the Vault Funder account. It was just a bad trade idea, as you can see right over here. Like honestly, it was. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, if you want to read through the notes, I honestly can't even remember, because this was the day, like the weekend, I also got sick. So, and then Monday, just topping it off with a bad trade was just horrible, like honestly. And then yeah, I was trying to get back into the groove on Tuesday, but like both Monday and Tuesday I could not read the market at all, but I was forcing a trade, plus I was under the weather. So yeah, that happened, but it's all cool. Yeah, let's just get into the video. As I said, I'm going to be showing you guys right now how I purchased a Vault Funder account and a bit of last week's trading, how I called the market, and yeah. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I purchased the account. Just going to ×2 the speed so it can go quickly through it. As well, I'm going to be hiding some of my personal information, like my email address and all that, so there will be a lot of cutscenes. Enjoy. So as you saw, just purchased the Vault Funder account. I'm going to be taking you through last week's trading week and this week's trading week that just passed. Currently, it's Saturday, the 10th of February, 2024. So yeah, I bought the Vault Funder account, as you saw right over there, on Monday, and then placed the first trade on Tuesday, just to get a feel for it. Basically just a small winner. I just opened it and I closed it quick, and then Wednesday on my day off was the real deal where I placed the first trade, the second trade actually, but the first proper trade that I let run to my TP basically. So I'll be taking you through that quickly, and then I'm going to be taking you through as well Thursday a trade idea that I called out, centered on the Vault Funder Discord channel. I didn't post the afters on the Discord. I don't know why, but must have completely forgot or something. But yeah, I'm going to show you the before and the after of that, and then we're going to go through to this week's stuff. So basically, yep, first trade profited about 1,400 Rand plus on the Top Step account, made a profit of $595. Placed it on both accounts. Here was the lot size for the Vault Funder Top Step, one contract by Top Step. So here's the before. I was as well very active on the socials this day, posting the before and making a little video of it. So I'm gonna pop that up now. Looking for plays to the downside. Probably react with that volume imbalance. If we don't, we'll trade through it and then hit above that little wick over there. But yeah, let's just see what happens. But yeah, expecting downward play. Let's get it. Righto, boys. It's currently 25 past 11. But remember, I called the trade earlier on. Just check the previous Instagram post. I called that we were. So after playing that video, like you saw the before and after. So basically, like I said, I was looking for this volume imbalance to be like kind of resistance, volume imbalance slash new day opening gap. Saw price coming up to here, taking out the internal liquidity right over here, and taking out the sell side liquidity, and then obviously ultimately we went a bit further down as you saw. So right over the trade played out very nicely. Was quite happy with that. I'm going to be showing you now the Vault Fund. This is the Top Step account, and then here's the Vault Funder dashboard. So yeah, as you can see, it was just a beautiful trade that we called out on Wednesday, and then for the rest of the week I said I'm not going to be trading because of NFP. So then let's go through Thursday. So Thursday I called out a trade on the Vault Funder Discord. I just shared my idea. So as you can see over here, if you want to read through there, the notes, you can. So basically I was just looking for a play to come down into the discounted volume fair value gap, and then we'll take a bar from that all the way up. But I did say it could retrace towards this 1 hour OB because we already touched it and we went higher. So I was definitely expecting this area at least to hold, because if we broke this area we would go lower. But then it ended up retesting the volume imbalance. It just shot through here, the 15-minute fair value gap just shot through, just tested the volume imbalance and then went up. So the stop loss would have held. So I'm going to show you that now. Yeah, so right over here, let's just go through this quick. So right over there, as you can see, shot, no, this is the London session, here's the New York session. As you can see, it just shot straight nice through it, and then we reached our target all the way up here. So it was a pretty good trade idea, I must say. And yeah, that was it for that week. So that, and then I also released a CPI video of me trading CPI. That was the last video that I did. So if you guys want to check that out, that is one of my latest videos that I just dropped and released. And yeah, just keep on supporting the channel, and I love the support. And then this week we just had a bad trading week this week. Like over the weekend, got sick. It was like on and off, like, yeah. And then I just made bad decisions this week on my trading account. So it was the third Vault Funder account challenge. That was the third trade of the account. Lost about, let's just say, 1,000 Rand if we're gonna round it off. Just honestly a bad play. I was watching a stream, and then it's almost like I wanted to flex, like that I know where the market was gonna go, and then I just got on the, like, it just got in my head. I was on the wrong side of the market. Wanted to be the big guy and try and like show off and stuff, and yeah, just got the trade idea wrong. I was trading for all the wrong reasons. Like I didn't follow my rules. My plan just went to shit on that day, and yeah, just a horrible day today. Well, on this trading day, I was looking for plays from this long area, from this fair value gap, and ultimately we just shot straight through it, took out sell side liquidity, and we just kept on trading downwards. And right over here, as you can see, if we draw, this is the range. So here's the discounted area. I was trying to take a sell, I can't remember, from somewhere around here, but this was the actual area that I should have been taking a sell from, right above here, because we take out relative equal highs here, as you can see. Relative equal highs straight into an area of interest, and this is in the premium zone. And then if we marked out midnight open, we would have been above midnight open, and beautiful trade all the way down here. Could have actually just targeted here, and the consequent encouragement of this, I think it's a 15-minute wick, which lines up actually perfectly with the equilibrium level of the range. So in hindsight, it looks beautiful, like you see the trade that you want to take, but you got to be locked in when you're trading live. Like there's money on the line, there's a lot of things on the line, so you just got to focus up when you're trading live. So yeah, I learned a valuable lesson there. I just got to lock in and just keep on pushing, man. Like I said to you, I was just sick, and like I was taking my frustrations out on the market. So as you can see here, 950 955 rand that I lost. The first two trades were winners, but yeah. And then days completed. I'm gonna be doing a full I'm gonna be doing a full breakdown of Vault Funder and release a video, show you guys the dashboard, because I know like a lot of people that have got funded accounts, they don't show the dashboard properly, and like just show the little things. And I must say, Vault Funder, the dashboard is kind of clean, kind of simple, kind of cool. And yeah, so let's just go to the last one that I want to show you, Friday's trading, which was yesterday. So yesterday we had, I never traded after that. Just keep in mind, I never traded after the loss. I was just watching the market. So yesterday's price action was very clean, was very nice. Was very nice. So as you can see, let me show you on the 5-minute. So this was the trade I was looking at. So if you did not catch this bar right here, okay, so what happened here is we took out sell side liquidity, we marked it out, and then you also have this 15-minute fair value gap. So this would act like a turtle soup, but we also trade into an area of value, which is this 15-minute fair value gap. And then if you were not confident enough to take the trade right at the low of the New York session, then what you could do is you just wait for price to give you another confirmation and another setup. So right here we get a setup, so it's like a breaker market structure right over here, nice fair value gap created, and then it's in between the range of from high to low. Here's the 50% of the range and the fair value gap and the inversion fair value gap. So this is the inversion fair value gap and this is the fair value gap. They both line up beautifully, and as you can see, 5-minute inversion fair value gap and fair value gap, and then this would be your second entry, and then you just ride your target to this high over here, the 8:30 high, the news driver event. So news drivers create a lot of liquidity. So all in all, I can show you a lot more plays that went down through the week, but for me those are the main ones that actually played out pretty well. Oh, and I forgot to show you, if you just rewind, like if you remember that I was talking about this play, and then I also called out on, I think it was, when was it, the 2nd of the 2nd, when was the 2nd of the 2nd, Friday, yes, I also called out the NFP play live. I'll probably put that video also as well up, but I didn't record the whole thing, so I just recorded just before, as you can see there, 8:29, and then like always 1 second, dude, before it dropped. And then yeah, as you can see, there was a plan A, there was a plan B, and plan A worked out, traded into a fair value gap, and the midpoint respected that area, and it just kept on going up. So that was another good play, that was another good call. And yeah, I've really been enjoying the journey so far. Hope you guys will just keep on following and enjoying the content. And yeah, we're gonna keep on pushing. Hopefully I get better. Hopefully next week can be a good week of trading. And yeah, just thanks for supporting the journey. Hope you like, hope you subscribe, and just drop a comment if you want to know anything, or yeah, just share it and show some love. Really appreciate everyone. Until the next video. Cheers, guys.